Recently, it has come in news that WhatsApp rival Signal will now support up to 40 participants in a video call. Now, the WhatsApp rival Signal has announced that it supports a group call of up to 40 participants. This was revealed by the company about the latest update through a post on the Twitter that reads, Signal now supports 40% group calls. Building large end-to-end encrypted group calls required some new engineering. Unquote. The tweet from the Signal's official Twitter handle read, "This now the platform only supported group calls with up to 5 participants." In the blog post, the company has also revealed that it uses Selective Forwarding Unit or SFUs to make this possible, as Signal released end-to-end encrypted group calls a year ago. As per Signal, with this method, each participant can send its media to a server. The server forwards that media to other participants without viewing or altering it. This works with many participants and is compatible with end-to-end encryption also. For those users who don't know, end-to-end encryption or EE is a privacy feature that ensures that only you and the person you are communicating with can read or listen to what is sent, and nobody in between, not in the company. In simple terms, your data is secured with a lock and only the recipient and you have the special key needed to unlock and read them. Now, to make a group call on the Signal app, all the participants need to be a member of the already existing group. You cannot add any users to a group call if they are not the part of the group when the call started. If you want to know how to start a group call with up to 40 users, now I will give you method or steps that how to do it. First, open the group chat on the Signal app. Tap on the call icon at the top right corner of the screen. Select Start Call or Join Call, and a notification will be sent to other members of the group. An alert will appear in the group chat history also. And of course, this will take Signal one step ahead of WhatsApp. Though WhatsApp is also introducing a lot of new features, but Signal is much better when it compared to end-to-end encryption also. With this, friends, I am finished. If you like, please press the bell icon and subscribe. Thank you.